Careless driving is also referred to as driving without due care and attention. The offence is contained within Section 3 of the Road Traffic Act 1988, which states the following. If a person drives a mechanically propelled vehicle on a road or other public place without due care and attention or without reasonable consideration for other persons using the road or place, he is guilty of an offence. If you are charged with the offence of careless driving, you would certainly benefit from expert legal advice and representation, firstly to advise on whether the plea should be guilty or not guilty, and then secondly, representation at court. The definition contained within Section 3 of the Road Traffic Act 1988 can sometimes be somewhat difficult to understand. However, I explain it to clients in the term of accidental bad driving. So when we refer to careless driving, think of it as some level of substandard driving. This is not to say that you are constantly or always driving without due care and attention. If you're being prosecuted for this offence, the focus is upon a very small time frame where there may well have been a momentary lapse in your concentration which resulted in some form of accident or collision. Each case is individual, and for that reason, it really does require an expert assessment on the evidence that the prosecution possess for this particular charge. The defence to careless driving would be one of an outright denial on the basis that you believe that you were not driving without due care and attention. This is because all road users owe a duty of care to one another. So simply because there has been a collision or an accident, it does not necessarily mean that you were driving without due care and attention. The sentence for careless driving is between 3 and 9 penalty points along with a fine, or a driving disqualification along with a fine. You should be careful to check how many active points you already have on your licence. Therefore, as an example, if you already have 6 penalty points on your licence and the court were to endorse a further 6 for careless driving, that would result in reaching 12 penalty points, and you would be facing a totting up driving ban of at least 6 months. If you're facing the prosecution for careless driving and have some questions or require representation, please do give my team a call on 0345 222 9955. Thank you.